Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if you have fresh install of Windows on your system and want to install the Google Chrome on it, so you can do it with the two steps. First is open the Microsoft Edge, and on the search you need to type for download Google Chrome, and once you search it, just click on first option, then go to first link. Now you will see the download option here. Simply download it and simply you can run this exe. So this is the first way. Now let's move on to the next way. Just open the command prompt as administrator, hit yes option. Now hit this command winget space search winget Chrome. This is the command. Press enter key. Press here Y. Then press OK. Now you need to find out the Google Chrome from here. So as you can see here, this is the first option, Google Chrome. You just need to copy the Google Chrome. Simply type this command winget space install space google.chrome and press enter key. And you can see your Google Chrome will start automatically downloaded, and just need to wait here. Now you will see it installed successfully, and you can see it on the desktop as well. So this is how guys you can install the Google Chrome on your system. I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.